What do you want?
Bear.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. You're gonna show me, huh?
Cock. 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 Cock.
It's dark? Yeah. Oh, the bear!
Oh,
The bear book!
this book.
It's the bear book.
Baby.
That's a bear.
Bear.
What does the bear say?
Mm.
Arrgh.
And, and, and,
Should we put those over there? Put those over here. And now we'll look at the bear book. Find out where the bears are in the book. Let's see. Oh. Lightning.
light on.
Yeah, lights are on. What are they doing?
Bear.
They're swimming.
Mama.
Can you swim? Yeah, you swim. Is that Grandma there swimming? Yeah. Uh-huh. I don't know. It's a crash test. Oh. What is that?
Kiki.
A chicken. That's right.
Book.
Bark, 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 bark. Chickens. Gorilla. Isn't it? That's gorilla, isn't it?
Monkey.
Monkey, yeah.
Bear. Bear. Bear.
Where's the bear? I don't know. We're gonna find it.
Oh. Bear.
No, it's not a bear.
Dog. Dog.
Yes. Yes.
Dog.
Yes.
Juice.
Yeah, juice. Leopard.
Up. Up.
Up. I don't have no idea what that is.
Horse. Horse.
A horse?
Oh, Bill, I have your suit that I took one last night.
Yeah.
I left it on the dresser with some other
That's
stuff.
fine.
And if you saw it there.
Bear. Booby. 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 Booby.
That's meat. He's eating meat.
Mink.
Yeah. That's his lunch.
Nuts.
Yeah, he's eating lunch.
Bear.
Bear is eating lunch, yes.
Mook. Bear. Mook. Bear. Mook. Bear. Mook. Bear. Oh. Bear. Mook. Bear. Mook. Bear.
Yes.
Bear. Mook. Bear.
I'm going to
Mook.
go
Bear.
hunt down the other
What?
office to finish it.
Mook.
It's a bear. More bears, yes. I don't know what that is. But I know what that is.
Bear. Bear.
A bear. Yeah.
Water. Water. Mook. Bear. Mook. Bear.
More bear. Yeah.
Whoopee. 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 Whoopee.
Oh, okay. And look at that one. What color is that? Black. Yeah. And this one is? Yeah. Brown, isn't it? And this one's almost white. A fish. The bear is eating a fish. Yeah. Yeah. He's sleeping. The bear is sleeping. Shh. Don't wake him up. I don't know. It's an island, isn't it? Oh, what's this? It's big, isn't it? A seal. A seal. Water, yes, underwater. They're under the water. In. Those are wolves. They're like dogs. Yeah, they're like dogs. Woof woof, that's right. Somebody's head. Robots.
Baby.
I guess, or a statue or something. Monkey, that's right.
I want monkey.
Yes. Many monkeys, aren't there? How many?
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2.
How many monkeys are there?
Baby.
A baby. Where's the baby?
Baby. Baby. Baby.
No, that's his arm.
Oh.
Arm, yeah. No baby there. There's some monkeys. And a waterfall. Where's the waterfall? No, here. Is the water coming down? Water falling?
Okay.
Yeah, it's all wet. Oh, look. Now, I think those might be baby monkeys.
Oh.
Yeah. What's he doing?
Mom.
Monkey, yeah.
Mom. Mom. Mom.
Is that a mom monkey? Is it? It's a story on Myanmar. It's what we used to call Rangoon. Okay, no, let's go this way. We've been going this way, we'll keep going this way. Soldiers. That's odd, isn't it?
Odd.
Odd, yes. We don't know if that's a man or a monkey, do we?
What it? What it? What it? What it?
Tree.
What it?
Tree.